Kumusta mga brad? It's another day, another trip. It's been a while since I make the video. So matagal na tong video na to. This is before my surgery. It's a beautiful day today. It's a beautiful Sunday mga brad. Today I'm with my family. There's Jana at the back. And wifey is beside me. So it's a lovely Sunday before my surgery. So today we're going to attend a Filipino Mass here in London at Stonebridge Park. So it's about 10 miles away from our house. So we'll make the most of it. It's a beautiful day. So we'll open the sunroof. Minsan lang magamit yan. At the same time, tipid sa gas, hindi kami mag-aircon. So fresh air coming in. So let's enjoy the ride. Okay mga brad, I don't know what happened. Medyo nawala ang ating audio. So I'm voice recording it. Siguro dun sa settings ng ating phone. So, dito talaga sa UK, daming roundabout, so just really have to follow the rules. So, you can see on the left side, they give way on coming cars dun sa right side. Dahil kung hindi, at magbubungguan kayo kung di kayo magbibigayan. So, yes, kahit pa paano may disiplina and just really to follow the rules. Isa pang marami dito is speed camera. So you can see ayan dami sa kabilaan. So this is a 30-mile road. And then in a few meters it will change to 40 miles. So regular route ko na to going to work. So medyo kabisado ko na yung mga traps dito sa road. So yeah, as you can see, it's a beautiful day. Sun is out, sky is blue. Let's enjoy the ride. So here, you need to be patiently wait for your turn. Pag wala nang coming from your right, so you can go. Kita nyo? From a small roundabout and then approaching to a little bit bigger roundabout. So magkasunod Kaya minsan talaga kailangan mong titignan yung direction na dinadaanan mo dahil may sign naman yan sa road. And then meron silang sign on the left side, which way are you going. As you can see, the road is quite busy on the right side. So mamaya kasi mag-U-turn tayo. Kami pala. Doon kami dadaan sa A406. So medyo maraming sasakyan. Siguro merong event sa Wembley. So this is it. That's the road. Nag-U-turn. Ayan, so traffic talaga. Mayroong event yan sa Wembley or not, there's an accident. So dito I decided na mag-U-turn uli, and then I'll take a different route, not going to A406 but going to Neasden. So do sa mga brad natin dito, I'm sure some of you know the road. So kanina nandito tayo sa may right side. Now I'm moving a little bit on the left. And then dyan tayo mag-exit sa left. So I'm using a different route. Makaiwas lang ng traffic para maabutan ng misa. Ang ayoko lang dito sa road na to is maraming speed humps. At merong mga malalalim na lubak. But I don't have a choice. Kailangan lang natin mag-reroute to avoid the traffic or the congestion. So malapit na po tayo sa simbahan. So after these stoplights, on the left side, andyan po yung simbahan ng Stonebridge Park. Pangalan yata ng simbahan na to is Five Wounds din eh. Parang sa Las Piñas, near our place. So yan. Dito ako sa likod magpa-park. But I just need to check if there is an event. Dahil pag may event, bawal mag-park dito. So maybe later I will park dun sa loob ng gate ng simbahan. Just to be on the safe side. So mga brad, we arrive here at the simbahan. So at least nabit natin yung traffic. So medyo maaga kami, we just sit here for a while. At maya-maya papasok na rin. So dito nga sa church na to, every first Sunday of the month, may Filipino priest na nagpupunta para mag-conduct ng Filipino Mass. So after ng Mass, kakain kami sa restaurant, and tomorrow will be my second surgery. Wish me all the best. So hopefully this time will be a successful one. So sa leg po ako operahan. Sabi ng doktor, medyo maluwag daw yung tornilyo ko sa ulo, kaya ihigpitan nila ng konti. So ayan po, konti pa lang yung tao. So dun tayo sa bandang harapan ng upo. Shout out to Sir Andrew Almonte and Mylene Almonte. So sila po yung usually in charge dito sa Filipino Mass dito sa Stonebridge Park. So si Andrew is ninong din ng anak ko. So paring Andrew, shout out. Thank you for the wonderful Mass, Father. And tapos na po ang misa. So after ng Mass, usually merong pakain dyan sa baba, sa basement. May kape, may iba-ibang Filipino foods. So regular po yan. After ng misa, may kainan dyan sa baba. Chika-chika, chiks-max.
Saan kayo pupunta?
Kamustahan. So ayan.
Yeah, tapos na ang
Tapos
misa.
na. Lalakad na po kami going to the car park. Have a lovely Sunday, mga brad. As you can see on our left side, so that's an Indian temple. Pinupuntahan din yan ng mga turista dito kasi maganda dyan sa temple na yan. Puro marble and bricks yung harapan yan eh. Ayan, no? Ayan ang frontage. Yes. So ayan, tuyo ang saging, malamig. So yan po, if you remember, kanina doon tayo sa kabilang side galing, nakita natin yung congestion dito sa kabilang side na to. So eto po yung road na yan. So doon pa ako medyo sisingit niyan sa dulo dahil naandoon yung right of way ko mamaya. That's it. Diyan tayo makakasingit. So usually pagka pinasingit ka ng nasa likuran mo, usually you just raise your left hand na para makita niya just to say thank you, or sometimes you use your hazard light as a blinker just to say thank you. So yan. I'm just enjoying my drive and the music. And ayun si wifey. Niloloko ng aking anak. Ayan. Si madam. Yes, just enjoying the drive, the music. It's Sunday. Let's enjoy the day. So, life is a choice. Enjoy lang tayo. Good vibes lang tayo mga brad. It's a lovely day. So now, we're in our town. As usual, dito kami kakain sa Nando's. They don't have a choice. I'm the one who's driving. So, doon ko sila dadalhin. So, dito lang po ako magpa-park niyan sa left side. Kita nyo, napaka tight ng area, no? So, now we're walking towards Nando's. Gusto ko talaga yung ano dito eh. Yung manok. So, peri-peri chicken siya. Gusto ko yung sauce. Tsaka yung ano nila, rice. See the prices of the house here. Mga binibenta. Yan yung estate agent namin. Iniwan na ako ng dalawa. See? They're walking. Ito na po ang Nando's. Excuse me. Thank you.
Rainbow
Use
Snow.
my phone para mag-order. Para hindi na kami mag-order dun sa may reception. I-deliver na lang dyan sa table.
And let's order chicken liver. Chicken liver. When you come home and hear the movie.
Dito na naman kami bumagsak sa Nando's.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yes, thanks.
Our favorite restaurant, Nando's.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, thank you.
My usual order.
Chicken liver? Thank you.
Thank you.
Chicken thighs with rice and chips. And then umu-order din kami ng liver. So, masarap yan, parang adobong katayan. Yan. Yan, pinaikot ang ruleta para mahilo ng konti yung manok. Grabe makapag-sauce. Hot sauce at saka ketchup. Grabe apaw. the meal. Uy! Sarap ng subo. Dito habang kumakain, chika-chika, kwento-kwento. Kain tayo mga brad. Sarap na sarap ako sa pinakain ko. Ayan, tayo.
Beaver.
Good vibes lang tayo mga brad, no? Enjoy lang. Enjoy life. Life is short. Medyo naparami nga kain ko dito dahil may operasyon pa ako bukas eh. Dapat light meal lang ako eh. Diyan na. This is it. And that's it. Taob. Ubos. Busog. Langhap sarap. And yes, tapos na po. Pasakay na kami ng sasakyan. Pauwi na. That's the local supermarket here, Sainsbury. Okay mga brad, salamat sa pagsama ngayong linggo. And kauwi na ho kami. Happy Sunday. And see you again next week after my surgery. Hope everything will be okay. Thank you mga brad. Peace. Okay na to?